When the founding fathers of the U.S. were debating how to set up the country and protect the rights of citizens, they turned to the English Magna Carta. The Magna Carta is an English government document created in response to royal excess and oppression during the reign of King John I in 1215. It was created under the threat of civil war as the nobility forced the king to sign the document. By signing, he agreed that the king was a subject of the law rather than above it, that he would reform the judicial and local administrations, and that 25 representatives would preserve rights and liberties. Despite fighting a war against England for their independence, the Founding Fathers maintained a respect for the Magna Carta and viewed it as a document for freedom. In fact, the 1774 draft of a Declaration of Rights and Grievances focused on the rights given to English citizens under the Magna Carta. With this mindset, the Founding Fathers wrote the U.S. Constitution. They credited the 39th clause of the Magna Carta for the origin of the idea that no government can unjustly deprive any individual of life, liberty, or property, and that no legal action can be taken against any person without the lawful judgment of his equals, which would later become the right to a trial by a jury of one's peers. The same clause would lead to the due process of law. Likewise, these ideas made their way into the Bill of Rights, with such rights as forbidding the government to suspend the right of habeas corpus, which essentially means that no one can be held or imprisoned without legal cause. In short, the Magna Carta served to lay the foundation for the evolution of subsequent declarations of rights in the United States. In attempting to establish checks on the English king's powers, this document asserted the right of due process of law, which influenced the U.S. Constitution's interpretation. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, a like, subscribe if you want, or check out the tip jar. There's always more history.